what I believe is the world's first Bugatti Veyron titanium exhaust with full pie cuts and ultra beauty. Now here you have the Rift version and the stock Bugatti version. This version is actually titanium, but still weighs over 42 pounds. The Rift one, as you can see, 9 pounds. But we didn't stop there. Bugatti has an outstanding ability to engineer their products. But they also engineer them for, current and worldwide EPA restrictions. And these here are no exception. This is one of the largest resonators I have ever felt on any car. This alone must weigh plus 25 pounds. And we at Rift developed some test pipes. Now, don't be afraid, there's still catalytic converters on the car. The Veyron actually has 6 catalytic converters, one for every turbo, and these very large ones in the back. So we've developed some test pipes to take the sound and power to another level. Once all this restriction is gone in a turbo car, we're gonna make plus 10, 12, possibly 15% horsepower. Now, Andy and I are gonna install this exhaust here today, but tomorrow we're gonna take it back to the dyno at the DynoJet research facility, and we're gonna test and actually see how much power this Bugatti exhaust system will make. What better time to drive a Bugatti than in the rain? Well, traction's off. Mario, get in. Let's do some sound.
Hold on, let's hear it first. Let's hear it.
It doesn't really rev like that.
We are about to install the Tomei dual exit onto the 350Z.
Titanium dual exhaust.
It should sound pretty mean.
It's gonna sound crazy. The Y pipe for the Tomei comes in 3 pieces. You got the left and the right and the collector. So they attach using these slip joints. So we're just gonna slip it in and then tighten these clamps up a little bit.
Here's the rest of this beautiful exhaust.
All about them exotic metals, man. It's like scary how
You holding it.
like how quickly.
Yeah.
We need this spring too. I guess we have.
Will you find me?